Imagine this. You're cooking up a delicious meal, completely unaware that the ingredients you're using might hold the secret to saving your life. Blood clots, though natural in some cases, can turn deadly when they form in places they shouldn't, like your lungs, brain, or heart. But what if I told you there's a natural way to tackle them? Yes, 21 common foods have been shown to help dissolve dangerous clots, keeping your blood flowing freely and your heart happy. From everyday spices to powerhouse greens, these foods are like nature's pharmacy. Stick with me to the end, and you'll know exactly what to add to your diet to stay healthy and clot-free. Let's jump right in. Before we dive into the foods, let's talk about what blood clots actually are. They're clumps of blood that have gone from liquid to gel-like form, usually to seal a wound. But when they form inside your veins or arteries, they can block the flow of oxygen-rich blood to critical areas, causing strokes, heart attacks, or deep vein thrombosis. Scary stuff, right? Luckily, the right foods can make all the difference by helping to prevent and even dissolve these clots. Now let's get to the good part. Our 21 clot-busting foods. 1. Garlic. This humble kitchen staple is a natural anticoagulant thanks to allicin, its active compound. Allicin not only reduces the stickiness of blood platelets, but also helps dissolve fibrin, the protein responsible for clot formation. Garlic is also known to improve circulation, making it easier for your blood to flow freely. For the best results, eat it raw or lightly cooked to preserve its medicinal properties. Whether you add it to soups, stir fries, or salads, garlic is a simple way to keep clots at bay. 2. Ginger. This spice has a kick and a big health benefit. Ginger contains salicylates, a natural compound similar to aspirin, which thins the blood and reduces the risk of clotting. It also fights inflammation, which can otherwise make your blood vessels more prone to clot formation. A daily dose of ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to your meals can work wonders. It's a delicious way to improve circulation while adding a zing to your dishes. Plus, it's excellent for digestion and immunity. A total win. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is more than just a vibrant yellow spice. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory. Curcumin, its active compound, helps prevent clot formation by reducing inflammation in blood vessels and dissolving fibrin. Studies show that turmeric improves blood flow and lowers the risk of heart-related issues caused by clots. Add it to curries, soups, or smoothies for a flavorful health boost. For even better absorption, pair turmeric with black pepper and a healthy fat like olive oil. It's easy, tasty, and a natural way to keep your blood flowing smoothly. 4th, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. What do they have in common? Omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve circulation, all of which contribute to dissolving blood clots. Omega-3s also decrease the stickiness of platelets, making it harder for clots to form in the first place. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week for maximum benefits. Whether baked, grilled, or added to a salad, these fish are as good for your taste buds as they are for your heart. 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are nutrient-dense and great for your blood. They're rich in vitamin K, which helps regulate blood clotting. Wait, isn't that counterintuitive? Not at all. When consumed in balance, vitamin K prevents excessive clotting while supporting healthy circulation. These greens are also high in antioxidants, which protect blood vessels from damage. Add them to smoothies, salads, or sautéed dishes for a heart-healthy boost. They're as versatile as they are nutritious. 6. Berries. Berries are tiny but mighty when it comes to dissolving blood clots. Rich in antioxidants like quercetin and anthocyanins, berries reduce inflammation and prevent platelets from sticking together. Blueberries in particular are known to improve vascular health and protect blood vessels from damage. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies for a deliciously healthy treat. Their natural sweetness makes them a perfect dessert swap, and they're a snack you can feel good about. Who knew something so tasty could be so powerful? 7. Citrus fruits. Zesty and refreshing, citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are more than just a vitamin C boost. They contain compounds that strengthen blood vessels and break down fibrin, the protein that holds clots together. Vitamin C also reduces inflammation, making your arteries less prone to clot formation. Start your day with a glass of lemon water or add a splash of citrus to your meals. Not only will your taste buds thank you, but your heart will too. Talk about a win-win. 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are more than just a salad staple. They're a heart-healthy superfood. Lycopene, their star antioxidant, reduces inflammation and lowers the risk of clot formation. Tomatoes also have a mild blood-thinning effect, making them a natural ally for your circulatory system. Eat them raw, cooked, or blended into soups and sauces to enjoy their full range of benefits. They're versatile, delicious, and great for your overall health. Plus, they pair beautifully with other clot-busting foods like garlic and olive oil. 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds might be small, but their health benefits are huge. Almonds and walnuts are rich in vitamin E, a natural anticoagulant that helps prevent clots. Flax seeds and chia seeds, meanwhile, are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. Sprinkle them on your oatmeal, yogurt, or salads for an easy health boost. They're also great for snacking on the go. Just a handful a day can make a big difference for your heart. 10. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate is good for your blood. High-quality dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which improve circulation and reduce clotting. It also helps lower blood pressure, further supporting your heart health. Look for chocolate with at least 70% cocoa for maximum benefits. Remember, moderation is key. A small piece a day is all you need. Who knew staying healthy could be so indulgent? 11th, onions. Onions are a powerful ally in fighting blood clots thanks to their high content of quercetin, a potent antioxidant that helps thin the blood and prevent clot formation. Quercetin reduces the stickiness of platelets, improving blood flow and lowering the risk of dangerous blockages. Additionally, onions have sulfur compounds that enhance the activity of enzymes responsible for breaking down fibrin, the protein that makes clots tough. Whether you eat them raw in salads or sautéed in your favorite dishes, onions are an easy way to keep your arteries healthy. Red onions in particular are especially rich in these clot-busting compounds. Add them to your meals daily for a simple and flavorful health boost. 12th, green tea. Green tea isn't just a soothing drink, it's a health powerhouse. It contains catechins, which improve circulation and reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, making clots less likely to form. Green tea also acts as a mild blood thinner by decreasing platelet aggregation. Regular consumption can help maintain healthy blood pressure and improve arterial function. For the best results, enjoy 2 to 3 cups a day of freshly brewed green tea. It's not only good for your heart, but also packed with antioxidants that support overall wellness. 13. Avocados. Avocados are creamy, delicious, and excellent for heart health. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol and improve circulation. Avocados also contain vitamin E, a natural anticoagulant that reduces the risk of clot formation. Additionally, their high potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, keeping your cardiovascular system in top shape. Add avocado slices to toast, salads, or smoothies for a versatile and nutrient-packed addition to your diet. This superfood is as indulgent as it is beneficial for dissolving blood clots. 14. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are jewel-like fruits packed with antioxidants that improve blood vessel function and reduce clot risk. Their high levels of polyphenols, including ellagic acid, combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key drivers of clot formation. Pomegranate juice has been shown to improve blood flow and reduce the buildup of plaque in arteries. Enjoy fresh pomegranate seeds as a snack or mix the juice into smoothies for a tart and refreshing twist. Its natural sweetness makes it a delicious and heart-healthy treat. Adding pomegranates to your routine is a simple way to support your circulatory system. 15. Cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a fragrant spice, it's a natural blood thinner. Its active compound, cinnamaldehyde, helps prevent clot formation by reducing platelet clumping. Cinnamon also lowers inflammation and improves blood flow, making it a powerful ally in maintaining heart health. Sprinkle it onto oatmeal, yogurt, or baked goods to enjoy its benefits without overdoing it. Remember, a little goes a long way, as excessive amounts can interact with medications. With its sweet and warming flavor, cinnamon is an easy addition to your anti-clot diet. 16. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a cornerstone of the heart-healthy Mediterranean diet, and for good reason. It's rich in polyphenols and monounsaturated fats that reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel health. Olive oil also helps prevent platelets from sticking together, lowering the risk of clot formation. Use it as your primary cooking oil or drizzle it over salads and vegetables for a flavorful boost. Make sure to choose high-quality, cold-pressed olive oil for maximum benefits. This liquid gold is not just delicious, it's a natural way to keep your blood flowing smoothly. 17th, beets. Beets are a nutritional powerhouse that can work wonders for your blood flow. They're rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels. This improved circulation helps reduce clot risks and supports overall cardiovascular health. Beets also contain betaine, which reduces inflammation and supports liver function, another factor in healthy blood. Enjoy them roasted, juiced, or blended into smoothies for a naturally sweet and earthy flavor. Their vibrant color and nutrient profile make them a standout among clot-busting foods. 18. Apples. An apple a day truly keeps the doctor away, especially when it comes to your heart. Apples are high in quercetin, which helps prevent clot formation and improves blood vessel health. Their soluble fiber, pectin, also reduces bad cholesterol, which can contribute to clots. Enjoy apples raw, baked, or sliced into salads for a crunchy and nutritious snack. Pair them with peanut butter for a heart-healthy treat. With their versatility and health benefits, apples are a delicious way to support circulation and dissolve clots naturally. 19th. Red grapes. Red grapes are small but mighty when it comes to clot prevention. They're loaded with resveratrol, an antioxidant that improves blood flow and prevents platelets from clumping together. Red grapes also reduce inflammation, making your blood vessels less prone to damage and clot formation. Enjoy them fresh, as part of a fruit salad, or even as a glass of red wine in moderation. Just make sure to skip the sugary grape juice for maximum benefits. These juicy little gems are a heart-friendly addition to your diet. Cutis kimonis papaya. Papaya is not just a tropical delight, it's also a blood-cleansing powerhouse. This fruit is rich in fibrin-dissolving enzymes like papain, which help break down clots and improve circulation. Papaya is also high in antioxidants and vitamin C, which protect blood vessels and reduce inflammation. Enjoy it fresh, blended into smoothies, or as a topping for yogurt and granola. Its sweet tropical flavor makes it a treat for your taste buds and your heart. Papaya is proof that eating healthy can feel like a vacation. 21st. Broccoli. Last but not least, broccoli is a green superstar for your circulatory system. It's packed with vitamin K, which helps regulate blood clotting and supports vascular health. Broccoli is also rich in fiber and antioxidants that reduce cholesterol and inflammation, two major contributors to clot risk. Steam it, roast it, or add it to stir fries for a versatile and nutritious side dish. Pair it with olive oil and garlic for a triple dose of clot-busting goodness. With its health benefits and versatility, broccoli deserves a place on your plate. There you have it, 21 amazing foods that can help dissolve blood clots and keep your heart healthy. Incorporating even a few of these into your daily routine can make a huge difference. Which of these foods are already in your kitchen, and which ones will you try next? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to clear blood clots naturally.